Yeah. So welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today I welcome you all to fresh episode on my channel. You know how we do it. We talk about everything crypto, sports trading, future trading, crypto arbitrage, and a lot. Yeah. So for the past weeks, I've been uploading videos on my YouTube. Yeah, so I was back. I was doing something, but right now I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah. So today I'll be doing black market to exchange arbitrage. But before I will do the black market to exchange arbitrage, I want to talk about it first before we will go straight to my phone and I will show you everything inside. You see, we have several ways of initiating trade when it comes to arbitrage. We have several strategies. Yeah, so we have dollar arbitrage strategy, exchange to exchange strategy, we have card to bank strategy, we have we have same exchange strategy, we have exchange to exchange with the help of the bot. You see, we have a lot. Yeah, so you have to know the strategy that you're using, and I've been demonstrating a lot of ways to do it. Yeah, so today I'll be using the black market exchange to do it. And one thing about the black market exchange strategy is that it comes with risk. That's why I always say in my videos that it's not financially advised. You have to do your research before you participate. Yeah, you can easily make more money and you can also easily lose money. That's how crypto works. Yeah. So so my videos always is for education purposes, and I don't advise you to do it. Yeah, before you do it, you have to do your research first before you do it. And let me tell you one thing, I will not be a first person to chat you. Yeah, I don't chat you first. Yeah, so don't let people use my name to chat you. I will not be a first person to chat you. Because on TikTok, I can see that I have more than 10 accounts that I'm not even aware of it. So don't let these people scam you. I will not be a first person to chat you. Yeah. So I'll be doing everything with my phone. Yeah. So as a beginner, all you need is your phone and data and knowledge, then you're good to go. So let me start recording my screen. Yeah, so I've opened my screen. Yeah, so I'll be using Okx and the black exchange. Yeah, so people think that it's only Solana that you can use it to trade. No, we have a lot of coins that you can use it to trade. And today I'll be using XRP because on OKX XRP right now is 2.8250, and on the exchange XRP 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 is 3.19, so it means that I will still make profit on it. Yeah, but before you do your black market exchange, first of all you need the black exchange. The reason why I don't put the black exchange out is that it comes with a lot of rules and things that I have to guide you through it. That is why I don't show it. So if you need only the black exchange is $40 for only the black app. The exchange that you can convert your money on is $40. Yeah, and it's a black market, so you have to know that it comes with risk. Yeah. So and we have times to do and times not to do. You have to know all these things before you do it. Yeah. So I'll come to my trade here. So if I'm buying XRP over here is 2.826, right? 2.826. is 2.826, right? 2.826. So as a beginner, maybe I have just $50 as a beginner. So $50 of XRP, I'll be getting 17.69. Then you buy it and you go and sell it over here. It says on the exchange. Yeah. So if I'm selling the XRP on the exchange, I'll be getting $56. So it means that I've made $6.5. So let me go and check the withdrawal fee. The withdrawal fee for XRP. The reason why I love Okx is that their fee rate is very low. That is why I normally use XRP. You can see that the Ripple, that's XRP, is 0.5. It's not even up to $1. You see that thing? Yeah, it's not even up to $1. Yeah, and I have Okx link in the description in case you want to register and verify on Okx. Yeah, because it's making money. Yeah. So as a beginner, you have, let's say, small amounts. Yeah, and the black market, you can easily use it to flip small accounts to bigger accounts, because you are using $50 to get 17.69, right? And if you sell it, you'll be getting $56.5. So as a sensible beginner, you come and reinvest your $56 again, and you're getting 19.81. Then you go and sell the 19.81. Then you'll be earning $63. So when you earn $63 and you deduct, let's say, $1 from it, so it remains $62.3. So then you take your $62.3 here back to the platform again. So $62, okay, $62. So you'll be getting 21.93 XRP, right? Then you take it back and sell it. Have you seen it? This how. So you'll be getting $70. So this how you'll be flipping your small account to bigger accounts. You see that thing? Yeah. As a beginner, don't withdraw your profit. As a beginner, don't withdraw your profit, because I can see that people, they are eager to make more money. They want to make money as soon as possible. But as a beginner, all you have to do is what? Rebuild your capital, because in crypto arbitrage, the higher the capital, the higher the profit. So imagine if I'm trading with $1,000, $1,000. This is the amount of XRP I will get. So I'll come and sell my $1,000 XRP, also XRP over here. So I'll come and sell my XRP over here. So I'll be getting $130. So you can see that I have $130 right now. So it means that, forgive me for how I'm talking, because I'm feeling sleepy. Yeah, it's 3:39 a.m. Yeah. So it means that in crypto arbitrage, the higher your capital, the higher your profit. So as a beginner who want to build on $50 account, don't withdraw your profit. Re-add your profit to your capital and reinvest it again. That's how it is. You see, you re-add your capital in order to make more profit. And this one is black market arbitrage. And the reason why I don't show the black market exchange platform is that you need guidance on it. Yeah, you need guidance on it. Yeah, so I sell it and I guide you. You pay me for my time and stuff. Yeah, that's it. And when I'm doing exchange to exchange, I normally show you all the exchanges. But the exchange to exchange, you need a bot that will give you signal. Yeah. So this is how you do your crypto arbitrage using the black market app. Yeah. And in this case, when you are doing your trade, there are certain things that you also have to know as a beginner. First one is the address fee, the market cap, the trading fee, and the order, whether limit order and market order. You have to know where you are buying from. You have to know all these things. That's why when I hear people saying that you can learn trading on your own, I sometimes laugh, because there are things that we come here, we will teach you, but we will not tell you this kind of secrets or tips. So that thing, yeah, because someone is paying money to learn this kind of tips and he wants me to share it for free. No, I don't do that. So when I hear people saying that they will learn it on YouTube, I'll be like, okay. But when you go and you lose money, you will come back and you will pay. That's how it is. That's how it is. So you have to know that when it comes to crypto arbitrage, it's not only black market arbitrage. We have several ways. And on my channel, I've done a lot of strategies on my channel, ways that you can use it to initiate a trade and stuff. I've done a lot. Yeah, I've done a lot. Clap for me. I've done a lot. Yeah. So I think this one is good for today. And these days, my videos are basically for beginners. That is why I always go down for beginners. So if you're a beginner, my videos is for you. Yeah. And I think from now onwards, I have to document my lifestyle and stuff, like how I do my trades, my day in my life and stuff. I have to start doing videos about it. Yeah, to motivate people, like not to brag or stuff. Yeah, to motivate people. Yeah. And I want to tell you that crypto, if you learn it well and you become profitable, it's very good. Yeah. So I advise you to learn it well. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. And if you want mentorship, I have my link in the description. Just click on my Telegram link, chat me, and let's talk. Yeah. And I also have my WhatsApp number on the screen. Yeah, on the screen. That's my only WhatsApp number and my call number. Don't let someone call you and be like, I'm Crypto Lord, and how is your trade going and stuff. I don't do that. I will not chat you and be like, how is your trading going? Meanwhile, you're not my student. You haven't chat me before, and I don't do that. I don't do that. So be vigilant. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.